If you want to invest money for profit, you should never buy the cars, the new iPhones and the best designer clothes. This is the worst choices. The best way to invest your money and get profit is self-education that will allow you to reap the benefits in the future after your smart choices in the past. Start today with the basic ways to grow money. You will see the guaranteed results. For example, buying the precious metals is one of the best investment options for beginners with little money. And in this case, gold is on top. It is always increasing in price and you will never lose on such an investment. When it comes to investing in palladium, the risks are usually higher, despite this metal is scarce and high in demand. In some industries it is perfectly replaced by platinum, which is also going through the tough times. But you should still consider them as a good investment alternatives. After all, for minimizing all possible risks, pay attention to silver. Honestly, it's not very suitable for multi-year investment, but buying and selling it at right time can be much more profitable than the other precious metals. Investing for beginners with little money. Tip number 2. Although the antique isn't very typical investment option, it can offer you very impressive returns in the long run. To get profit, you should invest in the old watches, coins, books, limited stamp collections, furniture and high-tech products that we take for granted today. By definition, antique includes all things that are more than 50 years old. And investing money in all this stuff has its pitfalls. Sometimes it's just not suitable for those who expect a quick profit, because it is a long-term game that requires a lot of patience. In general, it will take you from 7 to 10 years to make a good money from it, keeping in mind the fact that the prices of some of your investments may go up and down. Opening your restaurant is also one of the best ways to invest your money for profit in the future. Although the failure rate is substantial, investing in this sector overall is safe. In order to gain net profit from this business, you have to meticulously analyze the current market and your potential target audience, especially their age and food preferences. Be ready, you won't get rich fast. The standard profit margin from running this business usually fluctuates just between 5 and 12%. You have to be very cautious, because without a detailed action plan like a good marketing, positive customers' reviews and reliable food suppliers, all your sweet dreams about easy money will be broken. The hospitality industry can be harsh and you have no room for mistakes. The next choice is to invest your money in real estate. Buy the small apartment or mansion house. You can easily rent out the acquired property and receive a stable monthly income from your tenants. After all, even reselling it at the right time will bring you a decent amount of money. Nowadays, it's also profitable to have a vacation rental. The only thing you have to do is to pick a right location where a lot of travelers usually go. List it on the websites like Booking or Airbnb and start attracting your first clients. Investing in a vacation apartment is expected to bring you the good returns on a consistent basis. It always increases in value. But even if you have no desire to rent it out, one can easily get the benefits simply by selling it later. Finally, I couldn't help but mention, if you buy a crypto, getting the profits from your investments in the near future is also possible. But investing in cryptocurrency is not for everyone. Because of the volatility, this form of money making is definitely a bad choice for beginners. On the other hand, if you like taking risks, then investing in such currencies as a Litecoin or Ethereum can be the most appropriate and less risky choice for you. You can gain a substantial profit if you sell your virtual coins, especially when the demand is at its peak. Because in a matter of days and even hours, the value of currency may plummet instantly, and your crypto could experience a sharp decline in value and result in a sizable loss if you didn't sell it in time. Before you start investing into profitable niches without losing a zero, I highly recommend you that you save your money effectively. Go ahead and watch this video. I will explain you how to do that. Don't forget to hit the like button and consider a subscription to my channel for more exclusive videos.